In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Netflix on Roku. I will give you two methods and the second one is my favorite. Step 1. Open Netflix app on Roku. From the Roku home screen, launch the Netflix app. Step 2. Open a side menu. Navigate to the left to open a side menu in the Netflix app. Step 3. Select Get Help or Settings. Scroll down in the side menu to find Get Help or Settings and select it. Step 4. Choose Sign Out. In the Get Help or Settings menu, select Sign Out. Step 5. Confirm you sign out. Confirm that you want to sign out when prompted. You will be logged out and return to the Netflix sign-in screen. Then the alternative method, this one is my favorite, it's a remove remote button sequence. Use this remote sequence from inside the Netflix app. Up, up, down, down, left, right, up, up, up. This will open a hidden menu where you can select sign out. Now I have some troubleshooting for you. If the sign out option is not visible, try restarting your Roku device. Removing and reinstalling the Netflix app also will help you sign out. And a factory reset is a last resort and will remove all channels and settings, so it will also sign you out. And that is how you sign out of Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe.